Video doorbell installation instruction, with an existing old doorbell. Before installation, please ensure your video doorbell added to Foscam app. Before installation, shut off power to electrical box from breaker box. Remove your existing doorbell. The height recommended to install is 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet. Confirm the place you plan to install the doorbell, and post the positioning sticker. Drill 2 holes on the wall according to the positioning sticker, and insert the screw plugs. Fix the wall hung piece on the wall with the number 1 screw. Pay attention to the upward mark, and the horizontal bubble column on the wall hung piece. Keep the wall hung piece remain horizontal, then tighten the screw. If you need to adjust the installation angle of the doorbell on the wall, you need to use provided different types of brackets and fix them with number 2 screw. Now the bracket has been installed, let's start the wiring next. You can wind your existing doorbell wire directly on the 2 terminals on the back of the video doorbell, and use the screw to tighten them.
If the wire of your existing doorbell is not long enough, you can use the wire extenders and wire nut to help you.
Feed all the wiring into the hole in your wall until the video doorbell can sit flush. Then align it with the hook of the wall hung piece, pull it down, and it's done when you hear it click. Finally, use the provided screwdriver to secure your video doorbell to the wall with the provided mounting screws. This prevents the video doorbell from being easily stolen. You can post the reminder sticker near the video doorbell, reminding visitors to ring the video doorbell to notify you. Now you have completed all the steps of installation. Next, turn power back on for your video doorbell at the breaker. If everything is connected correctly, your new video doorbell will begin its initial setup process.